Have you ever heard of putting nails in apples to increase your iron? It's true. There's actually been studies backing up this old wives' tale. The study says a bioavailability of iron formed by the corrosion of a low-carbon steel in contact with red delicious apples was measured in a rat model using a depletion-repletion experiment. The percentage of ingested iron converted to hemoglobin iron was 74, 57, and 56% respectively. Ingestion of one red delicious apple that had been exposed to 8 large iron nails for 24 hours could provide 10 to 15 milligrams of iron, having good bioavailability. So how does it work? Let's do it. You'll need one apple. Any apple should do as it has the same properties inside to absorb the iron. We're going to wash our apple really well, and then we're going to take these nails. These are iron nails, and I just got them from the store. So we're just going to wash them again just in case. Just poke these randomly around into our apple like this. And now we're going to let the apple sit overnight or for 24 hours. Here's our apple, what it looks like. And we're just going to remove the nails. I'm going to slice it up here and show you what it looks like. This is the iron marks inside the apple that have been absorbed. And you can eat this apple to increase your iron levels by 10 to 15 milligrams. Please subscribe and like this video and share it with everyone. It's quite interesting. Leave me a comment down below.